So if you ever stood in your kitchen at 6:30 at night wondering what you're going to make for dinner, you're definitely not alone. That's exactly why meal kit services have become so popular. They promise to save time, cut out grocery runs, and still let you enjoy a legit home-cooked meal. Now, Marley Spoon is one of the biggest names in this space, but it comes with something most others don't: the Martha Stewart name attached to it. And when you hear that, expectations immediately go up. You're not just thinking of convenience, you're thinking of polished recipes, elevated flavors, and something that feels a little more refined than your average weeknight dinner. But here's a real question: does Marley Spoon actually live up to the reputation? And when you factor in the cost, is it something that makes sense long term? So today I'm going to break it all down in a straightforward way: what it does well, where it falls short, and who it's actually best for. So at its core, Marley Spoon works the way most meal kits do. You pick your meals and a box shows up at your door with fresh, pre-measured ingredients and a step-by-step recipe card. It takes the planning and grocery shopping off your plate, but you still get to cook the meals yourself. Where it starts to feel different though is in the menu. This isn't just another cycle of basic tacos, burgers, and spaghetti. You'll see dishes like Chicken Piccata with lemon caper sauce or Harissa-Spiced Cauliflower Bowls. So it feels like more elevated, but not in a way that's intimidating. So that nice middle ground where dinners still feel comforting, but you're trying flavors or techniques you might not normally reach on your own. And the variety is honestly one of the strongest parts of the service. With more than 45 recipes to choose from each week, you're not stuck picking between the same 5 or 6 options. Whether you're leaning vegetarian, trying to eat a bit lighter, or just need something the whole family will agree on, there's usually a solid mix to choose from. Now, it's not perfect for everyone. If you're following something very strict like keto or a dedicated gluten-free diet, you may find the options a little limited. But for most people who just want flexibility and a good range of interesting meals, the weekly selection is definitely a strong point. Now let's talk about the part that actually matters most, which is the food itself. Because convenience is great, but if the meals don't taste good, none of it really matters. And overall, this is where Marley Spoon does a really solid job. When you open the box, everything looks fresh and well packaged. The vegetables have that crisp, just picked feel to them, the herbs still have that nice fragrance, and the proteins look like something you just grabbed from a quality butcher. There's something genuinely satisfying about laying all the ingredients out and seeing everything portioned and ready to go. Flavor-wise, the recipes lean a little bit more refined than your typical weeknight dinner, but they never feel overcomplicated or fussy. One night you'll be making a miso glazed salmon with Brussels sprouts, and the next it's a hearty beef chili that feels familiar and comforting. It's that balance between elevated and approachable that makes it interesting without feeling like a cooking class assignment. And what I really appreciate is that most of the meals feel manageable. They're straightforward enough that you're not stuck in the kitchen all evening, but when you sit down to eat, it feels like you put in more effort than you actually did. That's kind of the sweet spot with services like this. Now, to be fair, not every recipe completely knocks it out of the park. Some of the lighter focused dishes can come across a little mild unless you're willing to season a bit more aggressively. So if you prefer bold, punchy flavors, you may find yourself adjusting the salt or adding a little extra spice here and there. But overall, compared to what most of us throw together when we're short on time, Marley Spoon definitely delivers a more polished and thoughtful dinner experience. Now, when it comes to pricing, Marley Spoon keeps things fairly simple. Depending on how many meals and servings you choose, you're generally looking at around $9 to $13 per serving, with larger plans bringing that cost closer to the lower end of the range. Shipping is typically around $11 per box, so that's something to factor in. So for a pretty common setup like 3 meals for 2 people, you're usually spending somewhere in the ballpark of $65 to $75 per week after shipping. If you're ordering for 4 people, the per meal cost drops a bit, which makes it more practical for families. Now, is it cheaper than carefully budgeting at the grocery store? No. But that's not really the point. You're paying for the convenience of not meal planning, not shopping, and not overbuying ingredients you'll only use once. And because everything is pre-portioned, you're not tossing half-used herbs or random specialty items a week later. That does quietly help balance out some of the cost over time. So if you enjoy cooking but don't enjoy the logistics of figuring out what to cook, this makes the whole process feel streamlined. Everything shows up ready to go, and dinners become much more predictable without becoming boring. And if you want to give Marley Spoon a try, you can check out the affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we may earn a small commission, which helps support the channel a lot. And occasionally, there are special discounts available there that you won't find going directly through their website. Now let's clear something up right away. Marley Spoon is not a heat and forget it kind of service. You're not peeling back plastic wrap and sliding it into the microwave. You're actually cooking. That means chopping vegetables, sauteing, seasoning, and yes, occasionally even reaching for a zester. But there's the difference. The entire process is structured so it never feels overwhelming. The recipe cards are laid out clearly with step-by-step instructions and helpful photos, so you're never standing there wondering what they mean by a certain step. Even if you don't feel especially confident in the kitchen, it walks you through everything in a way that feels approachable. Most meals land somewhere in the 30 to 40 minute range, which is realistic for a weeknight. It's enough time to feel like you made something from scratch, but not so long that dinners turn into a full evening project. If you genuinely enjoy cooking, even just a little, this can actually be a nice part of your day. It gives you something structured to follow without having to think too hard about it. But if what you really want is something you can microwave in 5 minutes and be done, this probably isn't the right fit for you. Marley Spoon expects you to put in some effort. Not a lot, just enough so that when you sit down to eat, it feels like you actually made your dinner. Now, one of the biggest critics you'll hear about meal kits in general is the packaging, and that's a fair point. There's no denying that when your boxes arrive, there are a lot of individual packets, liners, and cooling materials involved. To Marley Spoon's credit, they do make an effort. Most of the packaging is recyclable because the ingredients are pre-portioned. You're not buying excess food that ends up going bad, so you're not left with half bottle of some random sauce sitting in your fridge for months until you finally throw it away. From a food waste perspective, this part is actually a big plus. That said, even recyclable packaging is still packaging. And realistically, you are generating more material than if you walk into a grocery store with reusable bags and bought everything yourself. So, if sustainability is a top priority for you, this isn't a perfect solution. It's better than some alternatives, especially in terms of food waste, but it's not a zero impact either. Overall, it feels like a step in the right direction rather than fully green solution. So who is Marley Spoon really for? At its best, the service is for someone who wants to cook more often but doesn't want to deal with the planning, the list making, or wandering the grocery stores after a long day. If you like the idea of trying new recipes and having everything measured out ready to go, this makes that whole process feel very easy and approachable. It's especially appealing for busy professionals or families who want dinners to feel thoughtful and put together without spending an hour deciding what to make. Instead of defaulting to takeout or the same 2 fallback meals, you got something different showing up each week that keeps things interesting. Now, it's not going to make sense for everyone. If you're on a tight budget and you're comfortable stretching your groceries creatively, this may feel like a luxury. And if you're someone who prefers improvising with whatever they got in their fridge, following a structured recipe every time might feel a little limiting. For the right person, yes, if your goal is to make cooking feel less like a chore and more like something you actually enjoy, Marley Spoon does a really nice job of delivering that. The ingredients are fresh, the recipes feel thoughtful, and the overall experience feels just a little more elevated than your average weeknight dinner. And that's really the appeal here. It simplifies the process without taking away the satisfaction of actually cooking the meal for yourself. And that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, check the link below for the best deals available right now. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Finally guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.